Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rick, and welcome back to the channel, Retro Rebuild 519. Please subscribe if you're interested, and hit that notification button if you can. That'd be great. It'll notify you when new videos come out. So, anyways, today is a really good day. I wanted to go over what happened when we were working on the car the other night. As you know, we're trying to get the car started. We put the starter in. We put new plugs in it, and obviously we put new oil in it, and we tried to get it going the other night. So at the beginning of the next clip that I'm showing you, there's going to be a little bit of a spoiler there, but it was a really good night, and I was really happy with the results, and I hope you guys are too. So again, please subscribe to the channel if you can, and hit that notification button so you know that when the next video is coming out. So it was a really great night. It was, I had my family involved, so that was a lot of fun. So enjoy the video, guys, and we'll talk to you later.
Yeah, go ahead. You didn't hear it? No, it sounds good, man. I went right away to the back of the car. Boy, it's got snapped.
Ready, Ronnie?
Yeah.
Gas down there. Gas. Get the cup right here. Here.
That's a lot of fuel. That's enough. It only sprays in a little bit at a time in aerosol.
Move your light. Move your ass.
Yes, Bart.
Oh, yeah.
You got things flying off here.
This is the whole body.
Probably that's good enough for now. We gotta get one more.
Come on, bitch.
Bringing a lot of good gear. You're gonna hold, you're supposed to hosting the first and hosting the truck. Don't get it. Nah, that's it.
For another day.
One more shot.
I don't want to.
One more shot, Bumps.
You want to do one more? The money shot?
Money shot. I'm gonna hit the gas. So.
Yeah. You haven't run them before. All right. Clear.
Clear.
your uncle. All right.
Woo! That's all.
Oh, that's just all.
WD-40.
That's just all. That's just all.